this video, I'll show you exactly how to create incredible fashion photos using Freepik AI completely step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create realistic fashion photos for Instagram, clothing brands, online stores, or your portfolio, this tutorial is for you. We'll start from logging in and finish with a professional AI generated fashion photoshoot. First, open your browser and visit the Freepik AI website. Click login in the top right corner. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your Google account or email address. If you're new, click sign up, create your free account, and verify your email if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Freepik dashboard where all the AI tools are available. Now open the AI image generator. This is where you'll create your fashion photos. You'll see a prompt box where you simply describe the image you want. Here's the secret. Don't write short prompts. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result. For example, a luxury fashion photoshoot of a confident female model wearing a modern black designer outfit standing in a premium studio with soft cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic skin texture, high-end fashion photography, 85mm DSLR lens, sharp focus, magazine quality, luxury editorial style. Notice how the prompt includes clothing, lighting, camera style, and overall mood. These details help the AI create much more professional looking images. Next, choose your preferred image size and the AI model available in your account. If you have multiple style options, select realistic or photorealistic for the most natural fashion photography. Then click generate and wait a few seconds. If the first image isn't perfect, don't stop there. Adjust the prompt by changing the outfit, background, lighting, camera angle, or facial expression. Small prompt changes often produce dramatically better images. Once you're happy with the result, download the image in high quality. You can use it for social media, e-commerce, lookbooks or presentations, or creative projects. And that's how you can create a stunning fashion photoshoot using Freepik AI in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.